Welcome back to Classic Motors. Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated electric pickup trucks on the horizon. The 2026 KGM Musso EV. KGM, formerly known as SANGYONG, has made serious waves in the EV space, and the Musso EV is their bold step into the future of utility with zero emissions. Let's take a closer look at what this all-electric pickup brings to the table. Right off the bat, the exterior design of the 2026 Musso EV strikes a balance between rugged and modern. It retains that familiar Musso body shape but has been thoroughly updated to reflect its electric identity. The front grille has been closed off, as there's no combustion engine to cool, and it's replaced by a sleek, aero-optimized panel that integrates seamlessly with the LED headlights. Those headlights are now matrix-style and adaptive, giving it a sharper, more aggressive presence on the road down the sides. You'll notice clean lines, integrated door handles, and aerodynamic sculpting that help reduce drag, a key element. In extending range for any EV, the wheel arches are flared, and it sits on all-terrain 20-inch alloy wheels that look both stylish and functional. Around back, the tailgate features a new light bar that spans the width, enhancing its modern look. The cargo bed remains practical and roomy, with a built-in power outlet for tools or camping gear. There's also underbed storage and a weatherproof front trunk, something unique in this segment. Moving inside, the 2026 Musso EV surprises with a cabin that feels more like a premium SUV than a workhorse pickup. The dashboard is completely digital, featuring a large 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen and a separate fully digital instrument cluster. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and the system supports over-the-air updates too. Keep the tech fresh long after purchase. Material quality is excellent, with soft-touch plastics, vegan leather seats, and brushed aluminum accents giving the interior a clean, modern aesthetic. There's ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and plenty of storage cubbies throughout the cabin. Rear passengers aren't left out either. There's more legroom than in the outgoing Musso. Along with USB-C ports, seat heaters, and dedicated air vents, KGM clearly paid attention to comfort here. Under the skin, the Musso EV rides on a newly developed skateboard platform optimized for electric performance. It's powered by a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup delivering around 400 horsepower and over 700 Newton-meters of torque. That's enough to push this pickup from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just under 6 seconds, which is impressive for a vehicle of this size and weight. KGM claims a range of up to 480 kilometers on a single charge, thanks to a 100 kilowatt-hours battery pack. Real-world numbers might vary, but it's certainly competitive with rivals like the Rivian R1T and Ford F-150 Lightning. The Musso EV supports fast charging at up to 250 kilowatts, meaning you can go from 10 to 80% in about 25 minutes. It also offers vehicle to-load functionality, turning the truck into a mobile power station great for work sites or weekend camping. Ride quality is another highlight. The adaptive air suspension system smooths out bumpy roads and adjusts automatically based on load. Off-road performance has also been enhanced with multiple drive modes, including snow, mud, and rock settings. It's not just an EV pickup, it's a capable one. Now, let's talk pricing. KGM has always offered strong value, and the Musso EV continues that trend. While final pricing may vary by region, the base model is expected to start around $52,000, with fully loaded versions pushing up to $68,000. That positions it competitively against both electric and gas-powered rivals, especially considering the standard features and overall refinement on offer. To sum it up, the 2026 KGM Musso EV pickup is more than just a niche experiment. It's a serious contender in the EV truck space. With solid performance, modern tech, excellent utility, and sharp looks, it feels like the Musso has grown up and stepped confidently into the future. If you're in the market for a versatile EV that doesn't compromise on practicality or power, the new Musso EV is definitely one to watch. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching Classic Motors.